So these are Wick Steed's press-up bars. You can do several exercises and variations of press-ups using these bars. First of all, we've got the slightly higher bar, which makes a press-up a little bit more easier if you go for an incline press-up. So keeping your back nice and straight, face facing the floor, knuckles forward, and you're going to lower the body down towards the bar and back up. If you want to make it a little bit more challenging, you can do exactly the same kind of press up using the lower bar. That way you're just pushing your body further down to the floor, increasing that load through your shoulders, and nice and controlled on the way up, making it that little bit more challenging. If you start to fatigue during that, you can drop to your knees for an incline press up. And you also have the option of a box press up. So if you bring your knees directly under your hips, keeping a nice 90-degree angle at your hips and at your shoulders, you can lower down into a box press up, keeping those abs engaged and your back nice and straight. These can also be used for various plyometric exercises. So bunny hops over the bar. And you can also try some bunny hops over the higher bar if you're feeling particularly active. An alternative use for these bars are actually as tricep dips. So if you pop your hands onto the bar, feet bent, pushing your elbows backwards, keeping that chest up nice and high. And if you want to increase the intensity of these tricep dips, just pop your legs in a straight position, lowering your bottom to the floor and pushing up through those triceps.